Welcome to BlinkExam. How to add a question and an essay in BlinkExam. Step 1. Click on Add Question to start creating a new question. Step 2. Select the subject, for example Geography, and choose the topic. Step 3. Now select the question type as multiple option, single choice. Step 4. Enter the question text. What is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? Then add the options, Lucknow, Prayagraj, Noida, and Varanasi. Step 5. Click on Save and New to store the question. A confirmation message appears. Question stored successfully. Step 6. Next, switch the question type to essay. Step 7. Add the essay title and enter the essay text. Step 8. Click on Save. A confirmation message appears. Essay created successfully. Step 9. To remove an essay, select it and click on Delete. The confirmation message shows. Essay deleted successfully.